What's up, guys? We back at it again with another one. Today I bring you another short clip just following up on this dresser, feedback on my dresser, saying at the end I didn't show you guys how I did the drawers, putting it together. After looking at the footage, I realized I didn't. I just basically just said I'm going to put these drawers in, put them together, and that's it. So let me show you how to put these drawers together for all you people, or for the people that said they didn't get a chance to see how I do it. Alright guys, so here is the little small dresser drawer that goes in that slot. So basically what you want to do is, there's some screws that come inside a packet. You want to take your screws and drill them or screwdrive them into the hole. I would recommend for you to screwdrive them in the hole. If you use a drill, you can over tighten it. Therefore, you can split the wood. This wood is basically soft, so it does not gonna take that much for this thing to split. So I went ahead and put these screws in. I also put screws here on the bottom for this railing. It's 1, 2 right here. Right on the inside, these are like little insert clips that you put into the side, and it's going to help you bring the drawer closer in. So it's going to bring it in closer, right along with like some little stems that you put on this drawer piece right here. So you basically put the little stems on here, take this, put this in the hole, turn it with the screwdriver, and therefore it should be able to draw it in. I'm trying to see if anything else for you guys. This right here is nothing but like a lock drawer mechanism. I still didn't fix this thing. I'm not really too worried about it, but yeah. And you take your back piece right here and you slide it in with a little slide. It's got like little grooves on here. Just slide that in. Of course, you got your handles. Pretty much you just take your screws and you screw it in with your handles, and that's that for this drawer. Now I will say it's going to be the same setup for the big drawers, which is right here. Same setup, the same thing. You just take your screws. There goes that little nut right there. I was telling you about that little silver nut. And you basically take that, draw it in. Draw this back piece, this drawer into that part. So yeah, that's how you pretty much do it. My biggest complaint about this drawer setup is, first of all, directions. Seemed like it was hard for me to find the directions inside of this kit. Second of all, I thought the drawer was deep enough for me, you know, deep socks and all that. But it's clearly not that deep. I mean, it's just like a surface, you know, I don't know. For the price you pay for this dresser, it feels really kind of cheap, but you get for what you pay for, I guess. So you can't really complain. Excuse all the mess on the top here I got. That's all my stuff. I still gotta put it back inside the drawers. But yeah. This is my drawer set up. Let me get the directions for the people who didn't get directions. So I misplaced my directions. I don't know where I put them at right now. I thought they was in one spot there, but they wasn't. If I find them, I'm going to try to DM the people that I said that I was doing this video, send it to you. Sorry that it's so late. I've been just working. I'm essential. My damn job likes to work you like a slave. So yeah. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. I'm sorry about the last part, and I'm glad you guys brought this to my attention. But the people did shoot it out for me at the end of my video, saying, you know, basically saying you didn't do the drawer part. Thank you for letting me know. You guys take care. Have a good day. I'm going to edit this video up and try to send it out to you guys quickly as possible. Thank you for your patience. Peace.